Primarily, I am an assistant professor. In a professional journey of mine, I have come across with a number of points that what I have learned in civil engineering, within this 6 months, the total aroma of mine in technical perspectives changed. And the point on which I would recommend it is like the practical knowledge. Because learning is not engineering, application is engineering. Actually, engineering is not the thing which I have thought of. But after 12th, I think the structures all around me, that how actually the sustained forces which are applied on it, and number of forces are there which applied on them. So this is the question which comes in my mind, and then I come to know that yes, civil engineering is one branch which let me know how it makes those structures stable. That actually is a part from where I just have started exploring, and I do take an admission in civil engineering in one of those colleges nearby in Chandrapur. And after that, I have completed my post-graduation from Nagpur itself. The thing is, in a professional journey of mine, I have come across with a number of points that what I have learned in civil engineering, I am not able to apply it practically. So that is very means a loophole to the thing what I have learned and to thing which I need to apply. So there is a gap between the learning and application. So how to fill that gap is a question in my mind, because learning is not engineering, application is engineering. That is quite a good question, because as I have mentioned already, the application is more important thing. So I just have searched on Google about the courses, that which course gives me a practical idea as well as practical exploration about things what I need to know. So I come across Skill-Lync. I have gone through the courses which Skill-Lync offer in the civil engineering domain. There are courses related to BIM, related to structures, but I am more often of infrastructure. There is a bridge engineering course. I had gone through the courses which are there in bridge engineering. There are 7 modules. Each module do have different perspective of understanding this structure. There are few points I need to mention. First is the curriculum. It is very good. It's not good, it's best. Because what actually applies in industry, it is totally over there. Step by step means from scratch, they teach us that how the planning has been done and how to execute it using the background theory of it. The first important thing. Second, the technical support team. They are quite good. Means they helped me a lot in order to complete this course, because this course literally is not easy if you are doing it by your own. You definitely need a support team to help you out in some doubts which you come across the course. Third is the projects. When you go on to the basic study of the courses week by week, there are projects after every 6 weeks. So that project will give you an idea about whatever you are learning, how to apply it using different softwares. The software which I learned, the 2 important softwares, that is StatPro and Lucis. These are 2 basic software which I learned. StatPro, I am using it from past 6 years. But the area in which the software, that is in infrastructure, I haven't used it before. I need to mention 2 names. One is Soumya and second is Gautam. Both have helped me out a lot. And also, last but not the least, Anu ma'am. She also had an 2 or 3 times interaction with me, and she also motivated me a lot to complete this course. The one major difference is again comes to the practical application. Currently, I am an assistant professor in one of the institutions from past 5 years. There I haven't learned and haven't proved myself to learn some new skills and to apply it. But when I come to Skill-Lync, means it's like 6 months I'm being associated with Skill-Lync. Within this 6 months, the total aroma of mine in technical perspectives changed, because now I know that whatever I'm learning, how to apply it. And right now where I am in one of the company as a senior bridge design engineer, that this course helped me a lot, because whatever I'm doing, like I am analyzing as well as designing the infrastructure, that thing I have learned from Skill-Lync. That helped me a lot. Means at a point where I do not know anything, to the point B where I right now know that what I need to do with this structure using a concept as well as the practical knowledge built up by Skill-Lync. The first answer would be I would mark Skill-Lync as 4 out of 5. And the point on which I would recommend it is like the practical knowledge. The projects what Skill-Lync provide us to do is really of very high standards. Means definitely you can learn it by doing. And to the students who are doing this course right now, I just say one thing to them: do the projects, learn the concepts as much as you can, because definitely they're gonna help you out to acquire a good job out there in the industry.